Hey everybody, so if you guys want to see a Allure unboxing, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is an Allure unboxing, okay? This is my first time purchasing from Allure. So it is a subscription box that you get, okay? So let me get all the deets before I get into it, okay? And then we'll get into the unboxing, okay? Alright, so I did go into this subscription, okay? And it is Allure. So I'm about to go to allure.com so I can see. They might tell me there, but all right, so with Allure, you basically it's a box that you get. So it's Allure box is now better than ever. Each box is guaranteed to include more products, more full-size items, and a higher minimum value each month. You'll get 6 or more products valued at $100, previously 5 or more products valued at $70. At least 3 full-size items, previously at least 2. Only expert-approved products selected by Allure editors, and new member gift. Always free shipping in the contiguous US, and exclusive members only events and discounts, okay? They have holiday deals and things of that sort. So the November Allure Beauty Box is $175 plus value. Yours is for $23. So get 9 total products, including 3 full-size products when you sign up today. New members signing up for the first time will receive the products below, okay? Current members take a look at all your products and play this month, or check out our unboxing. You will not receive the same products more than once, okay? I'm not going to look at those products, but I just basically about that. So it comes in this little box here, the Allure Beauty Box. This is my first time receiving this box. I'm so happy. So, yeah. Okay, we're back to unboxing, y'all. I mean, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. And so I believe this is my November box, okay? So, we're trying to get into it here. Okay, all right. All right, okay, so first we have this nice, you know, melanin. Okay, we got this nice lady here, okay, and okay, all right, so we got Allure Beauty Box, okay, so the screen gap, okay, in 1999 I was singing Zoom Along, Protozoa, and Disney Xenon, okay. Okay, so anyway, the features director is Jessica Cruel, and so they tell you what is in the box, okay. So I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to tell you what's in here, okay. So the first thing that we have here, stuff for the skin. So this is the new CO Topical, okay. So here we go here, all right. So it says, so let's get up close, okay. So stop. Anyway, so this is what it is here. We're gonna open it. All right, so okay. All right, so 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer serum will mix with water. Apply to skin daily. All right, and basically this is a it tested dozens and not hundreds of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer eye cream. But the new company Topical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. It is the skincare equivalent of the expensive Boost, okay, advertised as smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts. The price for this is $70. This is the powder. $70 for 0.46 ounces. You could buy it at the new.com. The promo code, they give it to you there, okay? All right, so this is a powder form. You can mix it in with your moisturizers and see what you get. I'm scared, but we're going to try it. I don't know. Let me know if you guys used that before. Have you even heard of it? Because I don't even think I've heard of it, okay? All right, so the next one we're going to get into is the Verso Super Eye Serum, okay? So the Verso Super Eye Serum, oh no, where is it? Is this it? All right, nails. My nails do need to be done, so excuse me. I may use this, okay? This is the Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in Irene. A person used to get gel manicures bi-weekly. I've shifted to doing my own nails. Irene has become an unexpected favorite. I typically stay away from nudes, but this color looks like a dusty rose against my fair skin. Which brings out my warm undertones and feels more exciting than beige. Okay, the first swipe goes on sheer, but the cruelty-free formula, which doesn't contain questionable ingredients like formaldehyde or toluene, layers into a opaque finish. Also applies so thin that I feel like it dries quickly. This is $16. You can buy it at staticnails.com, and they give you a promo code. Okay, so this is Static Nails. And $15 for this little bottle, but nail polish is pretty much, oh snap, okay, I can't open it, but just know that, because you know what, I put oil on my hands before because I didn't want my hands looking ashy when I'm showcasing. Okay, I can't open it, so this is what it is. So if you guys want to see me put this on, I will. I probably will put this on tonight. I mean tomorrow, because it is late. Okay, all right, so we have the cream. This is the Dr. Jart cream here. Okay, if y'all guys can see, yellow. All right, so this is Dr. Jart. It said, when I was working my first beauty job, okay, I'm gonna put this like this. When I was first working my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The Ceramidine line uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells. Okay. I'm sorry, my hair in the way. Okay, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, smooths fine lines, and turmeric antibacterial. It spreads like soft butter and creates lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skin routine when moisture gets trapped in the day ahead. Okay, price is $48. $48 for this. Okay. All right, so we stop. Moving on. I'm sorry, y'all. It's probably really late. Really late. All right, so now we have the Stigma makeup. Stigma. All right, I heard of Stigma before, and this is the lippy. Okay, so of course we're gonna do a swatch. Okay, of course we're gonna do a swatch. Okay, this is liquid red. Oh, I like it. It's cutie. Oh, it's cutesy. It's cutesy. All right, so let's do a nice little swatch. Ooh. And y'all know I've been loving the red lately. Nice brick red here. Nice brick. Ooh, I like the nice bricky. Okay. All right. So the Sigma liquid lipstick in Venom at a time when loungewear has become workwear, a little lipstick can go a long way. Towards making me feel more put together on a Zoom call, Venom is a classic red, not too orange with blue undertones. When it comes to bold shades, I prefer a liquid formula that I don't have to constantly touch up. The one goes on with a velvety consistency that is opposite of drying. That's because it's not a matte. It's, I'm about to say, satin. But that's most impressive in the staying power. When the color did start to fade after I started eating, and happened gracefully without leaving behind those crumbly bits you can sometimes get after your liquid lips that stayed on too long. This is $20. But anyway, yeah, it's a nice brick red. I like this. I might try this on this week. Okay, Sigma, I see you. You're cute, but you're expensive, but it's all good. All right, so we have the La Roll Pulse. Okay, so this is what it is here. Oh, eczema. Oh, look, it says accepted national eczema. Oh, I'm gonna try this. Oh, yes. Okay, yes. Oh, let me open this up. Oh, bomb. Okay, that's what it says, bomb. Okay. All right, so it says the Allure. We talk a lot about basic moisture. I'm getting so soup. Simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra stuff, like fragrances that can dehydrate or create sensitivity. See, that's why I don't like fragrance stuff, like, you know, fragrance stuff, like when for lotion, it dries my skin out completely. La Roche Posay's Pair Back formula fits the bill. It's gentle enough for eczema prone skin and babies, but effective enough that it get rid of stubborn flaky patch when my ring rubs against my pinky. It's rich and creamy yet unassuming after it's applied. There's no slippery feel and no strong scent to compete with my perfume. After using it, my arms and legs are soft and my hands are pre-pandemic level smooth. Oh, I'm going to put this in my purse. $19 for 400 mLs. Okay. Okay, we're just going to try out a little piece here. Because my hands do feel a little dry even though I put oil on it. Okay. So just a little smell, but not really. But, okay. Alright, so next on the list. Alright. Sigma. Alright. Okay, so now we have the, what is this? The collagen, the hydrating collagen eye pads. I'm sorry, yeah, eye pads, yeah. Eye pads, okay? I'm not sure. I'm not the only one who's awake in the middle of the night with anxiety lately, trying to recall if I put on hand sanitizer before touching my face or tossing because I feel a tickle in my throat. When I finally come out of bed, I've got panda eyes, which is even more obvious on video calls. Because of the unflattering overhead lighting in my home. I've taken to putting on these eye pads first thing in the morning while I meditate. The gel feels cooling and the pads are soaked in hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen, and to help plump skin temporarily. After 20 minutes of wearing them while listening to uplifting mantras via an app, I'm left with a sense of calm and face that looks halfway rested. $18 and it's 5 applications, okay? All right, so here it is. Oh, I need to try that. All right. So, okay. All right. So, since they don't have it in the book here, got Mercier. Okay. Translucent loose setting powder. Okay. I don't think I have the translucent one, but I do have this powder. I think I got translucent. I don't know. Not sure how much this goes for. But y'all know this is a decent powder, and I definitely will be trying this. I do have Allure Mercier powder, but not sure if it's the translucent one. So I will be trying this the next time I wear makeup and put it under my eyes for the creasing and whatever the case is. So yeah, Allure Mercier, the one I got is not translucent, I don't think. So yeah, so I can't wait to try this. All right, okay, and then we have the eye serum here. Hold on. I think I talked about that. I don't know why I didn't talk about it in here. Let me see. It's not in here. That's weird. Alright, so the eye serum. Alright. So if you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. There's no excuse for my perpetually white or wilted ficus, but the reason is I really use eye cream is because 95% of the ones I've tried make my eyes water, create little bumps around my lids, or fail to deliver noticeable benefits. But Versal Super Eye Serum is among the rarefied 5%. The lightweight texture doesn't irritate my eyes, even with the retinol as a star ingredient, and let's see, and the applicator enables me to apply pinhead size dots of this product, which I pat in with my ring finger directly on my under eye tones. After using this serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under bags were less puffy. Oh, I'm gonna try this. Okay, I might try this tonight. Okay, so you guys know I got dark circles, so let's see. So I'm going to try this tonight, so let this be night 1. And she said in 2 weeks. Just want me to come back in 2 weeks to see if there's a difference. Please let me know, and I also got to drink more water just to see if it does anything. I'm definitely going to test it on my hand first to see, and then we'll see what happens, okay? We'll test it in a little patch area here. All right, so we have here, I don't know what this is. What is this? Mask cream. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's not in the book. But they probably have it on the website. So, yeah. It's some type of cream. Then we have the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo. Alright. I don't know how, you know, in the conditioner. I'll probably use this, like, if I'm washing my hair really quick. And I just, you know, this little bit is not going to do anything. So, yeah. Okay. So, they didn't have it in the book for some reason. I don't know why. But I guess certain things are not in the book, I believe. So, oh, these are the editor's picks, I guess. I don't know. I guess. All right. So I think that is it. So yeah, y'all, this is the Allure box. Hold on. All right, y'all. So this is my first time receiving this box, and I believe that I really do enjoy this box. All right. So the first thing I'll be enjoying will be the Lippy, the Sigma, okay? And I also will enjoy the Allure Mercier translucent. I'm going to try that. And I'm going to try the cream, the under eye for the dark circles. I'm going to be trying this for my eczema. And I may try this Dr. Jart. And I may try the eye patches here. I'm not too sure about the powder. I'll try it. I'm not sure. And the nail polish, of course, I'm going to use. And the other stuff I'll try to use. We shall see. But that is basically it about that. So what y'all think about the box? I believe it's $23. I'll put all the information down below so you guys will go check it out. This is my first time getting the Allure box. I believe this is the November box. And I definitely am very surprised and just happy to have this box. Okay. And it comes at a high value. And it definitely gives you a bang for your buck, especially if you are paying. I believe we're paying once a month. Okay, so I definitely put everything down in the description bar below so you guys can have a better idea. And because it's late, y'all, and I'm recording this and I'm trying to, go to bed so I go to work tomorrow. But anyway, that's besides the point. I digress. But yeah, so yeah, I really like this box. Like, if you guys, I've just recently heard about this box, like probably like a few months ago. Like, I didn't know Allure had a subscription box. Like, there's other boxes I've heard of that I've never heard of, okay, until recently. So I'm just like, where was I? But anyway, I digress. So I'm here now, and I will continue this box because I'm very pleased with this box. If I decide to where I could cancel it, I can cancel anytime, and that's just basically about that. So take advantage of whatever that they have. I believe they get a discount. I'm not sure. But just go ahead, and I think is a bang for your buck because you get high quality products at a decent price all in a box instead of purchasing all of this and you pay a higher value than the box, so the products are very quality, and I definitely do recommend that you get this box because I love it, okay, and I'm sure that you will love it. And especially if you're into makeup and you're into your skincare routine and stuff like that, that's geared towards that, and that's what this box is geared towards. And it's very professional looking, and I really like that I really like this the cover. This is nice. And the back cover, like, this is what's up, okay? This is what's up, okay? But anyway, I digress. But yeah, so and that's Sigma, okay? Like, I'm wearing that lippy. That brick red. It's nice, and it do dry satin. It's nice. Let me see if it smells like anything. No, it don't smell like anything. Oh, just a little bit, unless that's the cream I put on my hand. No, it's nice. But yeah, so y'all, so that's basically about that. So let me know if you guys are going to try this box out. Again, look in the description bar below if I left anything out, because I'm sure I did. But when I do more of these unboxings, I'll get better, and I'll share the information a little bit better. And that's just basically about that. So don't forget to check the description bar below. I also do other videos, so please check the end cards if you will, and definitely subscribe and share if you like. And that's just basically it, you guys. I am done. I'm out of here. I am tired. I got to go to bed, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful blessed night. Be safe. See you guys later. Peace. Bye.